I like to consider myself a man of style. And as a man of style, I always have to match my stuff. So recently with all my gear that I use all the time, I've been into this color scheme of grayish, silverish, metallic, and camel brown. Is that even a color? I call it camel brown. And I've also been carrying around my Sony a5100 butt ass naked. And that is a terrible thing to do if you want to take care of your stuff. So I decided to get on Amazon and look at some leather cases because I like the way they have that vintage look. And I stumbled upon one and I had to review it once I got it in hand because it is so fly. So introducing the Andoer leather carrying case for your a5100, a5000, and since I like it so doggone much, I'm getting one from my a6000, which I'm shooting on right now. Now let's get it into this case, man. Okay, first of all, it is not leather, okay? It's like a protein or TPU leather. It don't even smell like it, but man, it looks good. It looks so good in hand. Video and pictures do not do this any justice. For it to be a leatherish or a pleather material, the stitching is there. Now all of them might not come with this Alpha logo embossed in there. Luckily mine did. So I just ordered the one for the a6000 and I'm praying, fingers crossed, that it has that logo right there because I really like it. But on the inside, let me open this thing up. On the inside, and of course I'm gonna style it on the camera. On the inside, you got this velveteen material right here, and it is plush on the inside. It's kind of rigid so it doesn't, flex too much, so it does protect the camera. And it's got this flat back, and it's got a nice plush material right here, so you can actually protect your screen on your a5100 or a 5000. The base is right here. You got your two snaps, and then your third snap right there to lock it all up. And then this little screw part right here, it actually goes into your into the base of your camera. And it also comes with a leather carrying strap or neck strap. Now I normally don't do straps, man, but this one right here, I had to put it on. I haven't used a strap since I got these two cameras, but when I saw this, I was like, this is so nice. I had to put it on my camera and I love the way it looks. So let's install this thing. So I got a couple things to say. One, the build quality. Oh, wait. $10. It's like $9.99 or $10.99 on Amazon right now. Both of them, the one for the it's a a5000, a5100. It's the same thing, I believe. And then the a6000 is one on its own. And then I think they have one for the a63 and a6500 that will work for the same one. Anyways, the build quality on these for $10, I swear, I've asked different people how much they thought this thing cost. One person says about $45, and that's about where they start when they look like this. And then the next person said about $80. And then another person said about 100 and some change. I was like, okay, well, I paid $10. That's right, $10. So right now, click on the link and pick it up before they realize that they're giving these things away. They could easily charge 40, 50 bucks for these things. But yeah, the build quality is amazing. The stitching is right on point, and it's actually real stitches. It's not some fake stuff. This is real, like, stitching that they've done with this. And I'm just loving it. So let's put it on the camera. The camera strap is already there. You do not have battery door access. I actually charge my battery through the side port most of the time, but this is an easy on, easy off process. Now real quick, when I got it, this thing right here, this little knob right here, it was actually just stuck. So I had to take some pliers and just loosen it. But once I loosened it, it was just, I don't know, for maybe some glue, but it turns freely, so no complaints there. Just loosen it up with some pliers and you'll be just fine. You also have a screw inlet here so you can mount this on a tripod, so you don't even have to take this out of the case. So this is your half case. It just slides on right there and it conforms nicely to your, I put it on backwards. It conforms nicely to your a5000. You just screw that on right there with your hand. You don't need any special tools to tighten it because it's got these grooves right here for your fingers to grip it, and it fits just like that. It conforms exactly to the shape of your a5100 or 6000. Look at how beautiful and vintage that is. Okay, oh man, that's so clean. It's got the strap, I love it. Okay, so now we got this vintage camera look, right? And this right here, this is a 16 millimeter pancake lens that I use for, like vlogging and stuff, and just, kind of close-ups, or if I don't have a lot of space. So if I put the 35 millimeter lens on this a5100, stick it in here, it is going to fit. I've tried it. I was worried about that because all they ever talk about is the stock lens that comes on it, which is like a 16 to 50 or something like that. I hardly ever use that lens. I'm always using my 35 or my 16. So you just put this on here like this, and on the bottom side of it, You just snap these two buttons right here and it's done. And then if you want to actually close it, you just snap that third one right there. Then your camera is pretty much fully protected. It's protected enough and it will withstand the drop without harming the camera. So you actually, from the closed position, you actually have access to your SD card slot and your charging port right there. So you can just open that door right there. I love that I don't have to take this apart for that. And of course, you have access to your carrying strap so you can look like a tourist whenever you feel like it. So to get access to your camera, you just undo that right there, and then you can actually look at your screen, and then you can just flip it down like that if you just want to take a quick shot. But if you're busy and you need this thing off of here, it just snaps off with the two snaps of a button, and then you have this beautiful looking camera case in your hand. It actually adds a little bulk, just a little bit, to the camera, so it's a better grip, because this is not a big camera, and for a guy with hands like mine, not super big, but for a guy with hands like mine, I do appreciate the extra grip. So anyways, I'm a man of style, and like I told you, I like my stuff to match. This is a camel colored skin. It's like a light brown, and it is gorgeous, man. Like I said, it's not real leather, but it looks close enough, and it feels fantastic in the hand. Build quality is excellent, and it matches my stuff, because recently I just got this. I have to do a review on this. Recently I just got this Alcantara skin. I think it's from Slick Wraps for my Galaxy Note 8, and I'm loving that soft touch of it, so it kind of just goes really well with my phone. And then I got the Skull Candy Crushers, man, with that camel and gray and off-white going right there, so we got that right there. And then of course I got the HP Spectre right there. Got to keep it matching, man. We got that theme going, that soft gray material, got that Alcantara, we got that faux leather in the stitching, we got some camel right here. But then I have my new notebook. I love this notebook. Review coming soon on this bad boy, and it is that camel brown. So let me put that right there. So if you're like me and you need your stuff to match, or you're just looking for a beautiful camera case, to just a single camera case, if you're out for the day and you only need one lens, this is the way to go, man. It adds a lot of style and beauty to your camera, and possibly your outfit. But I'm loving this case, man. 10 bucks, man. Pick them up, pick yours up before they figure out that they can actually charge more money for these things. Until then, I gotta get out of here. But before I go, y'all make sure y'all tap on that like button, smash on the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one. Hey, by the way, if y'all wanna see any specific reviews for things, it's all right to ask, but seriously, this is a personally funded YouTube channel. So consider dropping $1 or $2 in the Patreon, man. The link is in the description. I'll let y'all at the next one.